And I think there's something wrong with push cat. As I open up the throttle, it feels like it bottoms out. So it's right in here with the throttle body. So that's what we're going to repair real quick.
One of the best investments I made when I bought my dozer was a shop manual and a parts manual. So when you start figuring out what's wrong, you can look up what part you need.
Loosen this, take it off, take off this plate, replace the spring.
What we found was a broken spring in the throttle body.
It's a little chilly out here today. I didn't pick the best day to work on my dozer. So here we go. We're going to put it all back together. There's a lot of tension in that spring, so I'll kind of tighten it up as we go. And hopefully that fixes our problem. So we're going to match this up a little bit. That's about where it needs to be. That looks good. All right, let's put this on. Then we'll open up the fuel line and we'll be ready to rock. I've only learned this a couple of times out of just poor planning, but push cat's a little tough to start when you run it out of fuel. Well, I've essentially done the same thing by changing that spring in that throttle body. We get up in here, and up here is a pitcock, like a little vent on the other side of the injectors. And then here's the primer pump. And we just keep on until we see good flow. Close the pitcock. And then I'm going to give it a little bit more, tighten that down. Now, because it's like under 40, I'm going to use a little ether in the breather as we get it started. Open the throttle just a little bit. Let's open her